Hello, my name is Ian Norman. This is Exam 3 Angry Animals for Computer Science 177 at Citrus College. And I'm going to be going over the replication of Angry Birds on the mobile app stores. So to begin with, we have the sky and ground. They have a default sorting layer of for the sky, and the ground has the sorting layer of foreground as well as every other aspect of it. The foreground or the ground itself actually has an edge collider as well to prevent things from falling through it. The asteroid, which is the thing that the player moves around, rigid body 2D, circle collider, and spring joint, as well as the custom script projectile dragging, which allows you to drag the asteroid around and move it as such. Next up, the catapult, which has the front and the back, two separate parts. The reason why this is important is that it allows you to go in between as such. Um, Next up is going to be the boundary markers. Um, these allow the camera to follow the asteroid in the parameters of the game space. The boundary resets the player if they exceed the boundary limits with their asteroid. The building is the planks that protect, in quotes, the bird, and the birds and the baddies are the actual birds themselves, both of which have prefabs that exist for them in the prefabs folder. Um, the asteroid and the planks have the damager tags. It is worth noting that in part 4 of your explanation on how to create the damager tags, you accidentally give it to the bird and not the asteroid. Moving on, we have the actual code. The resetter resets the character if they begin to move too slowly, or if the player presses R, or if they leave the playable bounds, as long as the spring is null. The projectile follow allows the camera to follow the projectile as long as it is within the bounds of the left and right maximum. The projectile dragging allows the player to drag the asteroid wherever it is they please, as long as it is within the playable area, and also gives it the elastic 3D looking parts of the catapult. Target damage is what kills the bird and also changes its sprite to an injured looking bird if they take non-lethal damage and are hit fast enough. Here is what it looks like in the finished product. It goes in between. You can stretch it wherever you want, and then you fling it. I'm a bit bad at the game, to be honest, but here's another go. That's a good one. And you can hit R to reset, and it will stop moving if it is too slow. Thank you, and goodbye.